Hi, I'm Bill, and I teach at the Overlake School. And one of the casualties of the COVID-19 pandemic has been that school got canceled. One of our projects was to build a tiny house for unsheltered people to be delivered to the tiny house villages, and we weren't able to finish the project. So my son and I decided to build one in our garage or in our driveway, and you can see it's up on skids, and when we get done, the forklift will come in, pick it up, put it on a trailer, and drive it to where it's needed.
That's pretty neat. How much longer do you have to go until you're
Oh,
finished with this thing?
I've still got a lot of trim and a door handle, and that's almost, and a little more painting on the sides, obviously. But then I got to get inside. We're going to wire it for electricity and just make it so it's comfortable and livable. Somebody can put a space heater or a little stove top in there or something like that, and hopefully it'll be a livable place and a nice alternative to living in a tent under the highway.
Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.